I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with mixed vegetables. Start by boiling 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until al dente, then drain and rinse under cold water to stop cooking. While the pasta cools, chop carrots, celery, and bell pepper or thaw a frozen mix. Combine ingredients in a large bowl and prepare a simple dressing to toss everything together for a bright, creamy finish. Whisk together mayonnaise, vinegar, mustard, salt, and pepper to make a balanced dressing for your macaroni salad. Taste and add a pinch of sugar if needed to brighten flavors, and thin with a splash of milk or yogurt until the texture coats the pasta. Use about 3/4 cup of dressing for 8 ounces of macaroni, and reserve a bit to freshen the salad later after chilling and tasting. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold, has a leak-proof lid, and is easy to carry while prepping or picnicking with your macaroni salad. I love how it fits cup holders and stands up to busy kitchens. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Gently fold the cooled pasta and mixed vegetables into the dressing until everything is evenly coated, taking care not to mash the pieces. Transfer to a covered container and chill for at least 1 hour so the flavors can meld and the salad firms up. Before serving, taste and adjust seasoning, then garnish with chopped parsley or a light dusting of paprika to add color and a fresh finish that lifts the creamy salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.